Imagine you're doing some economic development work in Dayton, Ohio. You've been tasked with getting some businesses in the area that currently don't exist. You're specifically focusing in on restaurants. You're going to begin by creating an analysis area for the Dayton city limits. Once we've created that study area, we're going to select a secondary study area, which is going to be the area that we're comparing it to. In this case, we're interested in creating that analysis area as Cincinnati. Dayton looks to Cincinnati for some of its newest restaurant concepts. Once our secondary city has been selected, the analysis type that we're going to perform is called a void analysis. In order to get started, we're going to select our analysis area. In this case, our analysis area is Dayton, Ohio. The area that we're referring to is actually going to be Cincinnati. Now, we could do this kind of analysis based on any kind of business, but we're interested specifically in the restaurant business. So you can see that we have the option to choose from restaurants, but again, keep in mind that you have the option for big box, retail, clothing, financial, healthcare, or you could even create a custom list by specific business name, series of businesses, manufacturing, insurance, hospitality. Lots of different options here. But again, in this case, what we're interested in is restaurants. So the system will take just a moment, and then it'll map the 641 existing businesses in the Cincinnati market, and the 285 in the Dayton market. Now, if we were beginning to do an analysis specifically on the businesses that had multiple locations in Cincinnati, but no existing locations in Dayton, we could see the businesses like La Rosa's Pizza had 10 locations in Cincinnati and none in Dayton. White Castle has 8. Frisch's Big Boy, 4. Hookfish and Chicken, Popeyes, Jersey Mike's Subs. These might be some businesses that could in theory be interested in expanding into the Dayton market. They would at least be good businesses to consider for the economic development. Perhaps there might be incentives available. If you take the information and export it, you'll get a full list of all of the restaurants that exist in Cincinnati as well as in Dayton. Additional information belongs on whether or not there's a void, address, city, state, zip code. Are they in the analysis area, in the reference area, the NAICS code, the estimated square footage, the estimated employee count, estimated sales volume, as well as the data source. Now in this case, we're looking at data axle. But you also have the option to change earlier from data axle to other providers such as SafeGraph or Foursquare, because we understand that there's no such thing as a perfect business list. It's nice to be able to have multiple different resources for you to do the same analysis on.